In this video, I'll demonstrate how to fix an error causing LVGL to crash without restarting the entire software. Let's get started. Squareline Studio version 1.4.2 introduces a new error handling feature. When LVGL encounters a state it can't handle, it displays the error cause in the console. After fixing the issue, you can restart LVGL and continue working. Let's look at a specific example. I'll create two screens. On the first, I'll place a keyboard, and on the second, a text area. I'll set the text area on the second screen as the target for the keyboard. The problem occurs when the first screen loads during keyboard creation. It can't find the text area because it's on a different screen, causing the program to crash. Clicking the play button, we see a notification about LVGL crashing, and the console shows error details. To fix this, I'll select the keyboard in the hierarchy panel and remove the text area from its target. Then, by clicking the Restart LVGL button, we restart only the LVGL component, applying the fix and allowing us to continue working without restarting the entire project. This new feature can significantly shorten the debugging process and increase development efficiency in LVGL projects. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified about our latest videos on time.